Hi guys, welcome in. This video is a little bit late, but we are going to take a look-see at all the things that I made with Citrus Celebration. So I did do a couple of videos with Citrus Celebration. So I'm sure you've seen me making this guy, right? Okay. I got a little bit distracted with the holiday and everything that was going on. So, you know, things and stuff. But here we are. This is the Easy Peasy necklace. Now, I do have a video on this, so I'm not going to talk about it too much. But I did make this. I stamped out these letters on some wire and put them on there. That was quite the endeavors, but we got this guy. So this has its own video. Then I have this guy. This is a little knotted bracelet with the bee. So I actually did a couple like this with this one. As you can see, it is knotted on the Ceylon string that was provided. And I use those little melons. And I use the bicones and then a few flowers. But I also incorporated in a little heart. Just a little something. So I actually made a couple like that. Here's another one. So this one is on the Ceylon they provided. And I really thought these two beads really looked nice together because they're both kind of matte. So I also used the clam shells for this. And I was really on it. I think this might have been the first one I made of the bracelets. And I really like this. Yeah, this was the first one. So I used the carnelian on here, which looks really nice. And then I used my own red Ceylon with the citrine beads. And then once I got done, I remembered, oh, they had provided Ceylon. Hello, which is why I got into making the others. But this one's really cute. And I used one of those little charms. And then I did use the clamshells on here. And they are all adjustable, which makes it quite fun. So that was a really cool project. I had a lot of fun with that one. Okay, and then this one is one of the more first projects that I made, I think, with it. Let me see if I can't get everybody in here. Okay. So this was a really fun one. Wire wrapped up the leaves. These are just the pyrites that are wire wrapped. Pyrites, not pyrites. I'm losing my mind. These are not pyrites. The peridot, sorry. Little peridot beads. So I just did little links, and then I wrapped up some flowers. And then this, I did add this green. This is a Chinese silk strand that I added and wire wrapped onto here. So there's that guy. Very cute. I did get quite a few projects out of the bundle, and I probably could have gotten more. I still have some of it still sitting here. I was like, I better get this up. This one I think is one of my favorites. This one is quite cute. I think this is the first necklace that I made with it. So I used that large flower and just put a ring around it and kind of did like a Y situation, and then wire wrapped all of these orange Czech glass. And I put, I don't know if you can see, one little green Czech glass inside of each there. And then I did a adjustable situation with the toggle. So yeah, this one ended up being, I think it's like 18 inches, and then with the adjustable, it's 20 inches. Excuse me. And I'm pretty sure that that is all of the projects that I made. Like I said, I could have gotten a lot more projects, I think, I just, I ended up going to North Dakota. Let me just lay everything out here. I ended up going to North Dakota for my grandma's birthday over the holiday. And so when I came back, I was a little bit behind schedule, but I think it's quite cute. And all my little bracelets. I really like these bracelets. They're super cute. This one I think is one of my favorites. But I also like this one as well. And the one with the little heart is quite good. I think I like all of them. So I had done an unboxing video, and then I showed how I made this guy in a video. But yeah. So there are all of the pieces laid out, and like I said, I still have a number of beads left over, but I've already gotten my new box in the mail. Oh, I don't know if they've revealed the name yet, so I don't want to say what it is because I don't know if they revealed that or not. But I have gotten my September box, so I said, well, Randy, you better get it together here and just complete what you have. So I was pretty happy with all of the things that I got, that I did get made with the box here. And I could have made some earrings and things, but I really like the bracelets. This one is very cute. I like this one too. So yeah, there we go. The little citrus celebration. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and if you are, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, do all the things. It is the weekend, so I'm going to be working on some more beading today, which I'm very excited about. And I will see you guys probably on Monday, I would think. Monday we have our Claim It Live bead sale. Starts at 9 a.m. Live on YouTube. So that's probably where I will see most of you. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a good weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.